Ready to keep your AI art flowing? Let's dive into reviewing your Midjourney plan so you can keep creating amazing visuals. First, head over to the Midjourney website. You can find it by searching Midjourney in your browser, or by directly typing midjourney.com into the address bar. Once you're on the site, locate and click the Sign In button. This is usually in the upper right-hand corner of the page. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account page. Look for the Manage Subscription button and give that a click. It's your gateway to all things billing. On the subscription page, you'll see the details of your current plan to renew. You don't actually need to do anything unless your payment method has changed, in which case, update your payment information by clicking on the Update Card button. If your payment details are all up to date, your subscription will automatically renew. Just make sure there are sufficient funds available in your account to avoid any interruptions. And that's it. Keeping your Midjourney subscription active ensures your artistic journey continues without a hitch, so keep creating.